Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you on a quest to capture life's thrilling adventures without breaking the bank? We'll go further. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of affordable adrenaline, uncovering the best budget action camera 2024. Whether you're a seasoned action seeker or just starting out, we've scoured the market to bring you the top action cameras that offer high-quality footage, durability, and features that rival the big names, all at a fraction of the cost. Get ready to explore cameras that are tough enough for your wildest adventures, yet gentle on your wallet. From underwater depths to mountain peaks, let's discover which budget-friendly action camera will be your perfect companion for capturing those unforgettable moments in 2024. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 3 top contender in the best budget action camera 2024 category. The DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo emerges as a formidable player in the best budget action camera 2024 market, bringing together an impressive array of features tailored for both vloggers and adventure enthusiasts. This camera's robust design, capable of withstanding extreme conditions, makes it a reliable companion for capturing life's most dynamic moments. Equipped with 4K HDR recording capabilities, the Osmo Action 3 delivers stunningly vivid and detailed footage, ensuring that your adventures are captured with clarity and vibrancy. The super-wide FOV, field of view, enhances this experience, providing expansive shots that truly immerse the viewer in the scene. The camera's 10-bit color depth is a noteworthy feature, allowing for richer, more nuanced color gradations, which is especially beneficial for content creators who prioritize high-quality visual storytelling. Horizon Steady, a standout feature, ensures that your videos remain stable and smooth, irrespective of the ruggedness of your journey. This makes it an excellent choice for action-packed activities like mountain biking, surfing, or snowboarding. The camera's cold resistance and long-lasting battery life are additional strengths, providing reliability in challenging environments and prolonged shooting sessions. As a vlogging camera for YouTube, the DJI Osmo Action 3 ticks all the boxes for content creators looking for quality, durability, and functionality without stretching their budget. It stands out not just as a budget-friendly option, but as a comprehensive solution for capturing high-action and professional-grade footage in 2024. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black elevating action camera standards in 2024. The GoPro Hero 9 Black firmly cements its position in the best budget action camera 2024 category, blending high-end features with rugged durability. This camera's standout feature is its dual-screen design, offering a convenient front LCD for easy framing and a responsive touch rear screen for seamless navigation, making it exceptionally user-friendly for both vloggers and adventure enthusiasts. Where the Hero 9 Black truly excels is in its video capabilities, offering 5K of Ultra HD recording that captures every detail of your adventures with stunning clarity. The 20MP photo functionality complements this, ensuring that still images are just as vibrant and crisp. For content creators, the 1080p live streaming feature and webcam functionality provide added versatility, perfect for real-time sharing and professional quality webcasts. Stabilization technology in the Hero 9 Black is a game-changer. Whether you're navigating rocky terrains or hitting the waves, the footage remains smooth and cinematic, a testament to its superior stabilization features. Moreover, being waterproof and robustly built, this camera is designed to withstand challenging environments, ensuring reliability across various adventure settings. In summary, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is not just a budget-friendly option, but a comprehensive action camera solution. Its blend of user-friendly design, advanced recording features, and robust build quality make it an excellent choice for action camera enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance in 2024. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7 Action Camera, your 2024 go-to for affordable 4K adventure capturing. The Akaso Brave 7 emerges as a strong contender in the affordable action camera market, particularly for those seeking a feature-packed option in the best budget action camera 2024 category. This camera stands out with its ability to capture stunning 4K 30fps video and 20MP stills, making it an ideal choice for adventurers and vloggers alike who demand high-quality content without a hefty price tag. One of the most striking features of the Brave 7 is its IPX8 rating, ensuring it can withstand submersion up to 33 ft. This waterproof capability opens up a world of underwater filming opportunities, from snorkeling adventures to poolside fun. The addition of electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, is a significant plus, providing smooth, shake-free footage across various terrains and activities. A user-friendly touchscreen enhances the usability to this action camera, making navigation and setting adjustments a breeze. The support for an external mic and voice control further bolsters its vlogging credentials, offering enhanced audio options and hands-free operation, essential for solo adventurers or on-the-go content creation. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7 stands as a versatile and reliable action camera, offering an impressive array of features at an accessible price point. Its combination of 4K video, waterproof design, and additional vlogging-friendly features make it an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly yet capable action camera in 2024. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black, the pinnacle of action cameras in 2024. The GoPro Hero 10 Black sets a new standard in the action camera market, solidifying its place as a top contender for the best budget action camera 2024. This robust and versatile camera is designed for adventurers and content creators who seek unparalleled quality and functionality. A standout feature of the Hero 10 Black is its stunning 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video capability, which captures every detail of your action-packed moments with breathtaking clarity. Paired with 23MP photo capture, this camera ensures that both your videos and stills are the highest quality, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The dual-screen design, featuring a front LCD and touch rear screen, enhances usability and framing precision, particularly for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. This user-friendly interface is complemented by the camera's 1080p live streaming and webcam functionalities, making it a versatile tool for a variety of content creation needs. Stabilization is where the Hero 10 Black truly shines. Whether you're navigating rough terrains or involved in high-speed activities, the advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth, professional-grade footage, free from shakes and jitters. Moreover, the Hero 10 Black's waterproof design allows for underwater exploration without additional housing, making it perfect for aquatic adventures. This feature, combined with its rugged build, makes the camera an ideal companion for even the most challenging environments. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is much more than a budget-friendly option. It's a comprehensive solution for capturing life's most dynamic moments. With its superior video quality, user-friendly design, and robust build, it stands as an excellent choice for anyone seeking a top-of-the-line action camera in 2024. Number 1. Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro 4K Underwater HD Action Camera for 2024. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro stands out as an affordable yet feature-rich candidate in the Best Budget Action Camera 2024 category. This 4K HD camera is tailored for adventurers and videographers looking for a cost-effective way to capture their exploits in high quality. The Vision 3 Pro's ability to shoot in 4K makes it an attractive choice for capturing clear, vibrant footage. The 20MP camera further enhances image quality, ensuring that stills are as impressive as the videos. Its waterproof capability is a major highlight, allowing users to dive up to 100 ft and explore underwater worlds without the need for an extra case. One of the most user-friendly features is the touch screen, which simplifies navigation and makes it easier to adjust settings on the go. This is complemented by the camera's adjustable view angle, offering versatility to capture shots from various perspectives. The inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity is a nod to the needs of modern content creators, enabling easy sharing and live streaming of adventures. The remote control is a convenient addition, allowing for easy operation, especially when the camera is mounted on a helmet or other gear. In summary, the Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is a solid choice for anyone seeking a versatile and budget-friendly action camera in 2024. Its combination of 4K video quality, underwater capability, and user-friendly features make it a valuable tool for capturing and sharing your adventures.